So you guys, as you all know that we have a bike, Yamaha YBR 125, but it has been sitting like exposed to nature, to dust and everything. So we finally decided to buy a cover for it, and today we're going to unbox it. And yeah, let's go. So inside we've got this little cute bag. As you can see, we have a zip, and let's open it. Yes, there's a cover inside, and the packing is so cute. So we've got this, like it's a huge one. Obviously, I'm not going to open it all. We'll just put it on a bike and show you. But let's look at the material. It's so great stuff. Like it's waterproof and dustproof, and it will obviously protect our bike. So this is our bike, and it's been standing here all exposed. So let's just cover it up.